This is your man Tete, aka Boom Boom. Yes, today I'm about to share with you 3 pan logo patterns. We can call it rhythms, we can call it, but 3 of it. And after we finish learning those 3s, we will try to join everything together and see how it goes. So, boom! So, for you to remember, we're going to use the tone sound. Hey, what am I doing? Tone sound, tone, bass, and slap mute. Slap mute. So don't forget tone, bass, slap mute. Okay, so this is the first rhythm that we're going to play. So this is the first rhythm, and the first rhythm is just using the tone, which is the, then we use the slap mute, which is, then the bass. So combining is okay. Hope you have got it. So let's move on to the second rhythm, which is the second pattern. Okay, so the second one is so what we're going to do is let's take it slowly, the second pattern. And don't forget, if you forget, you're going to get it wrong. Don't forget, I'm left-handed. So when you are right-handed, start with your right hand. I'm start with my left hand, and it's go from bass, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's join the first pattern and the second one together to see how good have we got or how better have we achieved. So let's try the first rhythm and the second rhythm together. Okay, so rhythm 1 went like this. So this is the first and second rhythm. Now let's move to the third rhythm, and I'm sure you have got it. If you have not yet got it, the video is there. Just relax, go back, watch it, study it, play it, on and on and on. I'm sure you will definitely get it. Okay, anyway, let's go to the third rhythm. And the third rhythm is, okay, that's a little bit confusing, but let's go. It's same tone, slap mute, and bass. Tone, slap mute, and bass. You can also call it bye-bye, because the way your hands go, but you can even as slap mute. So it goes like this. So that's the third rhythm. Now we have to join both first, second, and third rhythm together and enjoy it. Just you can mix it up. You can play the first, second, third, and next time play the third and second, or bring the first, second, third, like that. You can mix it up and get used to the rhythm. And get get better with the 3 rhythms, and you can control the rhythm and use it anyhow you want to fit in any kind of beat you might be playing. But I'm going to play from the first, second, and third, and I will be mixing it up, the second, the first, the third, so you can get how it goes. So anyway, boom, let's see how it goes from the first, second, and third. So it goes. Second rhythm. So this is how the 3 rhythms goes, and I know you like it, but you might find it a little bit difficult to. It's just about practicing and practicing. So take your time, practice it, and play it. Boom!
イベント、フェス、各種イベントでのソロ演奏、コラボなど承ります。ご予約は SNS の DM もしくは以下 Gmail まで。